Hi there, Sparkrock community. Our latest release, version 22.7 for mySparkrock 365 2023 Wave 1 is live. We understand that many mySparkrock customers are excited about the new interface, but want to make sure that existing users can still do what they need to do. The good news is the general concepts and workflows in mySparkrock are the same. If your users are able to do something in the legacy mySparkrock, the new interface will quickly feel familiar. But best of all, the new mySparkrock is fully functional in a mobile browser, so employees and managers can use it from any device from wherever they are. In this video, we're going to do a comparison of legacy and new mySparkrock and do a quick comparison by logging in, navigating, working in my self-service, and setting alternates with administration. So let's get started. Your mySparkrock URL will remain the same, and it will be continued to be linked from Sparkrock 365 for the users that use both. Just like you selected Sign In with Microsoft in Legacy mySparkrock, and then selected your account if needed, it's the same in the new mySparkrock, the button's just in a different place. If you use multiple companies, in Legacy you select the company down here at the bottom right. Now, it's more front and center. In Legacy mySparkrock, the menu is across the top and it's always there. Opening a menu will drop it down from the top. So in this case, along the top, there's My Self-Service and Administration. At the bottom right, just like when we logged in, you can switch companies. It will tell you which company you're in, and there's a link to Sparkrock 365. In the new mySparkrock, the menus are tucked away at the left until you need them. You can open up all the menus with this hamburger icon at the top, or you can just select the icon that you want. You can see there's still the same My Self-Service and Administration that you saw in the Legacy mySparkrock, though of course yours might look different depending on how your organization has things set up. So if you or your users already know to go to My Self-Service, Expenses and Claims before, it's the same My Self-Service, Expenses and Claims in the new mySparkrock. The actual workflow is the same. To switch companies or go to Sparkrock 365, that's also tucked out of the way until it's needed. Select the profile in the top right, and you have your links there. Now let's take a look at some of mySparkrock's functions. If we open up the My Self-Service menu in Legacy mySparkrock, you'll see that the menu items are the same, with profiles and expenses and claims. And again, the options you see might depend on your particular user profile. If we open up the profile menu option, in Legacy we have the general section for employees to submit changes. They can just hit edit and make a change and submit it. And then you can see there's assignments, administration and benefits, and assigned items. In new mySparkrock, it's similar. Go to My Self-Service, Profile, we've got the general section to make changes, we've got the edit button, and we have the same assignments, admin and benefits, and assigned items. To see or submit an expense or expense claim, it's the same in both platforms. If we put the two windows side by side, one difference is that on Legacy mySparkrock, there's a toggle between expenses and claims. New mySparkrock has them both on the same screen, but tucks them away beneath tabs. So we've got our expenses and we've got our claims here. Other than that, it's similar. The new button, same new template button, export, status filter, search box, and then the list of claims or expenses. Same with creating a new claim. You can see there's the same buttons, the same status indicator. We've got the general section. The comments have been moved underneath the general section. And then we have the same expense section where you can attach expenses or add a new expense. And we've got the same budget and approver selection with the same verify buttons. There is one difference though. Like all screens in the new mySparkrock, you can now create an expense claim on your mobile device. And when you're creating your claim, you can use your device's camera to take a picture of a receipt and attach that right to your expense or right to your claim. If you have the ability to designate alternates, you can say that in the same administration menu. So if we go Administration, Alternates on Legacy, and then we add an alternate, you can see we can select our dates, our alternate, and then what we want to assign. And same on new mySparkrock. Administration, Alternates, we'll add an alternate. And it's the same thing. We can select our alternates, our dates, and choose what we would like to set the alternate for. You'll see that the new and enhanced mySparkrock is optimized for mobile browsers, but the desktop version has a fresh new look and feel. You can use it on your computer or mobile device and have the same clean and fast experience, whatever device they're using and wherever you are. We really can't wait for you to try the new mySparkrock and hear what you think. Thanks so much for watching.